I said I have a quick little unbagging for the IPSY bag for July for you guys, and we're just going to jump in. I am short on time this month, so these are why this is kind of just going to be super quick and get to the point. So we're going to go ahead and start with the Glam bag. This is their small little bag. I absolutely adore the freaking color of this. I'm going to be keeping this as a little like hold little purse. I use these sometimes if they're cute like this as little purses, like especially if you're on vacation, you just put your little pass card in here and like a little lipstick, and you can like, you know, like have a little purse, you know. And this color is absolutely beautiful. I love the little star fish that it has here as the zipper. And I have really neutral makeup on today, like really simple makeup, hardly have any kind of foundation because my skin is super dry, not only from being on vacation in the sun, but also because of my age. My skin's just dry now. And then on top of that, I started doing laser hair removal and it has really dried out my skin. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what's in the Glam bag. First thing in here is the Golden Fading MD solution. This is a daily moisturizer. It has vitamin D and gooseberry, just a little travel size. I really enjoy these little travel size when I'm going on vacation. I go on vacation a lot. I've already been on vacation 5 times this year. It's a little excessive this year. Trust me, I usually go like maybe twice, 2 or 3 times a year, but this year it's just been like one thing after another. I was trying to make up for lost time from COVID. Next is the Rowan Liquid Lip Balm. This is called Kiss My, and it is in the shade Charlie. This is vegan, cruelty free. It says 0% stickiness, 100% shine. And that is what it looks like. Just a really nice packaging, and that shade is just like a beautiful everyday kind of shade. Oh yeah, that is gorgeous. I really enjoy that kind of shade for like really beautiful neutral looks, or just like everyday, or if you don't know what to pair your eyeshadow look with, a shade like that, like if you have a pinkier toned one and then like a more warm toned one, it's like perfect. That goes with everything. Next thing in here is the Prestige eyeliner. This is a dark brown one. I will be giving this to my mom, who has been like asking me for an eyeliner. She's like, next time you get an eyeliner, save one for me. So I do own already. I have opened probably like 5 dark brown eyeliners, so I will be giving this to her. And it is just like a, oh, no, she's not gonna want this. This is, I'm gonna keep this one. This is kind of like a shimmery one, so it's not what she was looking for. I think she's looking just for a dark black one. So this is actually like a bronze color, and I will be keeping this. She's probably gonna be like, no you're not. Next thing in here is the Smashbox, the original photo finish. This is the Smooth and Blur primer. I'm gonna keep this and see what it's like. I had this was a staple in everyone's collection, and then I kind of forgot what it was like. Oh, I remember this. This is kind of like that clear, really smoothing, very silicone-y base. This was like when nobody knew what primer was, the first thing people did was use the Smashbox one. It was the whole rage, the whole hype. Then people started using like the chafing cream for their face. I remember going through that whole trend. Anyways, so, and then the last thing in here is the Super Stack Mega Brush from MAC. So many people have been raving about this and talking about this on social media, so I will be trying this baby out. I'm curious to see what the brush looks like. Oh wow, that is spiky. I do like the fact that it's smaller in the front and then bigger in the back, so hopefully it won't aggravate my eye, because depending, sometimes if they're too spiky, it will aggravate my eye area, and I don't really like that. Now for the Glam Bag Plus, this is what the bag looks like. Super cute, wavy. I use these all the time to gift products to people, or just like give them little gifts. I just think they're super, super cute. Or even if like I'm traveling somewhere, I will put like underwear in here or stuff like that. I just feel like they're super useful for that kind of thing. So let's go ahead and see what they have on the box on the outside. First up is the Murad Acne Control Oil and Pore Control Mattifier. This has an SPF of 45. This is more for people who have acne. I don't suffer from acne, So I will be giving this forward to somebody who needs SPF and suffers from like oily skin or acne. Next thing in here is from Item Beauty. I absolutely love Item Beauty. The items, the products that I've tried from them, I've really liked. So this is their dual-ended lash primer. And let's go ahead and see what this is like. So it's supposed to volumize and lengthen. I'm not sure. Let's see. So this is like, okay, so this is like a pink primer. And then here on the other side, ooh, how fun. I don't have any colored mascara, and this is a bright blue one. So I'm not sure if this is, if they're both. Okay, I probably should have freaking, ooh, okay, so the lilac side volumizes and then the blue side lengthens. And both give lashes the boost they need. Choose your boost, lilac for volumizing or blue for lengthening. Apply as a boosting base under your mascara, or you can wear alone for a color pop. So it's kind of like a duo thing, because you can even use it alone as lilac or blue, or use it as a base. So I will try this out and see how I like it. Next thing in here is the Averani Balance Restoring Serum. This has tea tree oil, chamomile flower, cucumber extracts. This is supposed to polish, minimize pores, and is supposed to give a natural barrier to the skin. It's holistic skincare, which I'm all about holistic skincare, but it seems to be more for people with like open pores and stuff like that, because tea tree oil is really good for when you have like acne, and I don't suffer from that, so I have to see. But I'm all for anything holistic. I can't really smell what it smells like, but the bottle is really cute. I love the bright blue. Never heard of the brand, but really curious about more of it. The next product that we're going to talk about is the Osea Ocean Cleanser, and this just seems like a little mini version. It doesn't seem like a full size. I don't really like that they don't give me like explanation of which ones are in which ones, because then a lot of you guys are nice and explain, but then other people get really annoyed at me, and it's not my fault. But this is only 0.6 fluid ounces. This seems really nice to travel with, so I'm going to put this in my travel bag. I really like their spray, the Osea spray. Oh, and this is glass. I really like their spray, and I really highly enjoy it. It is a little, the spray is sensitive on your eyes, so I do keep my eyes closed. But this is a pH balance. It removes surface impurities, excess oils. It's supposed to be vegan. Oh, and it has lactic acid. So I might just change, like save this for another day. Probably not try it right now because my skin is a little bit dry. But I do highly really enjoy their brand, the Osea brand. And then the last thing in here is the Wing Me Ambitious Violet eyeshadow palette. This is cruelty-free and vegan. It is free of talc from what I see, and I've really been into checking if stuff has talc, which you'd be so shocked how everything has talc. But it's made in China, and it's a Lebanese American poet, Kahali Gibran, who promoted rebellion, hope, and purpose. It says, I have finally extended my knowledge to a world beyond the narrow cavern of my birth. This is the design of life. This is the secret of existence. Kahali Gibran. I'm hoping that I'm saying that right. But it seems like that's the artwork that's on here. It's super pretty. I really like that. And then it has that quote here on the back, which I would have preferred it to also be here on the front, but just my preference. And then, ooh, this is right up my alley. Definitely look on Instagram for me to do a look with this. I love me some purples. Love me some purples. So this is a cute little eyeshadow palette, and it comes with, oh, it comes with 4 mattes and 4 shimmers. I'm just going to go ahead and just swatch a few and see. Oh, I'm a little let down. I wanted that purple to be like in my face, but you got to build it up a little bit. These are really nice. They seem really, really nice and buttery. So I will do a look on my Instagram. If you guys don't know, I do looks over on there. My link is down below. I do like flat lays, and then I also share in my stories a lot from my life. And that is everything that came in the Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. Let me know which one was your favorite. I really like the variety of makeup and also skincare this month. I feel like they did a really good job. And also having brands that I recognize compared to brands that I don't. I kind of like having a good mixture, like not too much of like unknown brands. I like to have like a lot of brands that I know and then a few unknown brands. So I really feel like they did a really, really good job this month. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, hit that little red button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.